Hello everyone, let's have a look how to create sales countdown timer in WooCommerce. Go to the Settings tab inside the WooCommerce tab. Click on a Sales Countdown Timer tab. Here you can open a General Option tab and configure the following. Display a countdown timer or quantity counter or both. Display timer on shop page, product page or on both. Display timer below product price or product image. Here you can set product on sale text, countdown to sale text, and sale expiry message. Now go to the Rules tab. Here you can see all created rules are listed. You can edit and delete them. Click on Add Rule button to create a new rule. Here you can set Start Date, End Date, set discount type fixed or percentage, discount amount, quantity available on sale, enable disable rule. Select timer style from the following. Set the padding and margin of the timer. Set default or custom color scheme. Applied timer on products or on categories. Thank you for watching. If you have any further queries, feel free to contact our support team.